Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So today's we are just doing a simple mask using our old socks. This is very easy to do, no sewing. All you do is cutting. As I'm showing you, you cut the middle part of the socks, so no specific measurement in this. You cut to the nearly to the end of the socks or to the middle, depending on how long you want your mask to be. So I finished cutting. I'm going to now split the outer part of the socks. You know, the inner part is like where you used to walk. That's the place showing like an arc. So where I'm showing the sisters right now, I'm going to cut that open. Finish cutting the edge of it. If you open it, you see like it already look like a mask. So we are now going to cut the side of it where we used to hook the side of our ears. So all I do is fold the end up to the top of it. You can fold this depending on how higher you want the cutting to be or how lower you want it to be. So right now I put it in the middle. I cut at the edge of it. That's the outer part where I split. So where my hand is right now is where I am going to cut mine, but then I'm going to adjust it again a little bit to make it shorter because my face is not that kind of long, so I have that kind of rounder shape face. So I folded it a little bit before I cut the other end to make the ear part of it. So this is just very easy. All you did from the beginning is you cut the middle of the socks and then you split the side open and then you fold it and cut this as I'm showing you. That is all. So this is how far we have come with our mask. This is just about 5 minutes, and that it's not that long, just very quick one. You can do this and wear it anywhere you want. So when I finish what I do, the very most important thing is I iron my mask, because sometimes in case anything in it will just get maybe killed if any chance or anything at all. I iron it just to make sure it even looks smoother and nicer when you wear it after ironing. So this is how I do my quick and easy mask, which is good, and you can also do it yourself very easy if you are like in an emergency and you don't want to go and buy a mask, be waiting for a mask. So that's all I do. So at the end here, I'm showing you from how I got from a socks. That is the socks that I cut to the other one, and then the next thing is the iron. So these are the only things I use with the sixes. That's all. So now here is my mask. I'm wearing it and it looks so really good. You don't even know that this came out of the socks. This is really good. So as I said, you have to split the edge depending on how long your face is. I like my mask to cover all up to the side of my neck, so that's why I cut mine that way. So yeah, this is my mask and I hope you like it and you try your own too and like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a comment down below. I'll be back to reply you. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.